Well, hey guys, today's day I finally finished it. Well, actually finished it yesterday. Decided to paint it black. I think it kind of suits the dark blue color of the tractor, and the bucket is red, so this kind of colors gonna go together, I think, in my opinion. I did have to redesign the bucket a bit because there was a middle piece here where the 3-point hitch was setup was available, but I removed that because it was kind of getting in my way of tilting the bucket all the way down, and I decided to make my own 3-point hitch setup. It's pretty easy. It's kind of cut out of steel tubing and added some bolts between, and yeah, this one cylinder is doing a very good job at tilting this bucket, but I think in the future I will add a double cylinder setup. I will see. This project kinda cost me more than I wanted, so I'm gonna take a little break from spending money, and maybe in the summertime I will add a double cylinder setup here. Basically I have all the hoses, hydraulic hoses for it. I just need this kind of distributor here. Kind of flows in one way and then kind of, yeah, well, I think you know. And yeah, overall it's pretty strong. I added this one more tubing here, or square tubing. Yeah, I think that's how it's called, square tubing, and welded it shut here, kind of shut here, and kind of did 4 points here and also shut here. So I think it's gonna support the frame overall. This also supports the frame, so I think this frame is pretty strong, I hope. Anyway, I kind of lifted full bucket of sand yesterday and I didn't see anything breaking. The front end kind of went really down, so that points out that I need to have some kind of counterweight to ease the pain on the front axle, because these front axles are notorious for failing. I think they are not designed to have loaders on front, so to ease the pain on the front axle I'm gonna try to have some kind of counterweight at the back. For right now I have this pallet full of ash rocks, I think they're called. So this is maybe like 300 kilos or 400 something kilos. But yeah, in the future I also want to add the center pulley here, because that helps a lot. This manual pulley is not that good, labor intensive. What else? These cylinders that I got for the main boom, they are a bit overpowered. I mean, the ram thickness alone is like 50 millimeters, so that's kind of crazy. And the amount of oil that they need is also kind of crazy, because I gonna filled up the hydraulic reservoir to the top, and then I gonna pushed all the cylinders to max, and the reservoir was empty, so I think it consumed the whole hoses and cylinders and everything consumed around like maybe, I don't know, 7 to 10 liters of oil. Then that's kind of a lot. I also added this side boom here to, I think I showed it in the last video, but yeah, this is welded here and it's bolted to the frame here with 4 bolts. I'm hoping this will hold. Yeah, I think there is a focusing problem again. Should be fine. And yeah, that's all nicely welded shut together, so it should be fine. What else? I'm gonna build an adjustable fork for the next project. so I can have forks at front and back, so I can make double loads when I haul the forest out, because yeah, take some heavier logs on the back and some not so heavy logs on the front. And yeah, I'm basically gonna show you how it works now, I think. One thing to note out before I show you anything is the hydraulic pump on this tractor, which is right this thing over here, I think, is kinda dated. It's slow, so if you notice that the boom is going up slowly, then yeah, it's the pump's fault, because the pump is, I haven't changed the pump ever since I got the tractor, so yeah, I don't really know what kind of pump even this is, but it's working still. But as the oil gets warmer, it gets slower and slower and slower. One day I need to change out the pump, so yeah, if the speed is starting to annoy me, then I will change it out, but for now it's kind of working, so we'll see. And yeah, so yeah, let's see how it works. Okay, let's try to pull that sand pile up with one bucket and see if I can empty it. Okay. So yeah, that's how it works basically, and I noticed it that lifting with the counterweight kinda helps a lot, because the front end didn't go way down. Last time I lifted this bucket up with no counterweight, and the front end kinda went very down. Also, one of the tires was kinda empty, so that was kinda flat, but yeah, I guess it works kinda fine. But I did notice that I didn't have enough power for this cylinder to kinda pull it up when the bucket was almost full, or I don't know, I didn't see very well. But yeah, that's why I wanna add 2 cylinders on the front. But first I'm gonna change out the pump and see if that helps with the flow and pressure. I think if I change out the pump, then that will also improve the pressure. But kind of flow is kind of slow right now. so that's the pump's fault. But yeah, this is how the project ended up out to be, and it took me, I think, like 4.5 weekends. Yeah, 4.5 weekends. So I didn't work on inside the week. I only did on Saturday and Sunday. And yeah, it was kind of fun project, and hoping this will last for me, that it doesn't kind of break down. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.